I'm sitting here with Peyton, Riley, and Barnes. She's taking a nap. And I'm sitting here with Grandma and Barnes. And we're just patiently waiting for Peyton to wake up. This beautiful girl. So precious.
Lucy, don't take pictures of me. I don't have makeup on.
Oh, brother. It's not all about makeup.
Please don't put that makeup on Facebook. Don't do that. And that's an invasion of my privacy. Katie, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Whose phone is that?
I think it's me.
Put her phone down.
That's alright.
No, it's not. You know how they order stuff.
Oh, yeah. She's not ordering. She's not ordering. She's
on backwards. Oh, let me tell you. Yes, they do. They order stuff on their Kindle Fire. What are you going down there for?
Look, she's gonna eat over her face. Like, no more pictures.
It's a really, really pretty little place. I thought that this house would appeal to Dan and Eva because it's really an amazing place it's the top end of their budget.
She's smiling now.
They have to sort of work out what their future holds for them and how they want to move ahead together.
She just opened her eyes. You see that?
Mm-hmm. I love it. It's open and really, really nice character.
Yeah, it's absolutely stunning property. I absolutely love the location. I think it's amazing being located directly across the street from the beach. Water pressure is a little on the short side, but
Peyton, I can watch you all day.
So, for such a wonderful house, it's a fantastic place for kids to grow up. It's on the market for $640,000.
How long are we gonna take this video?
Pretty expensive price, actually.
Think about that.
Yeah. So we got 3 houses decided on.
Yeah. A home by the shore, suburban living, or a pricey family beach house. Someone's gonna have to compromise.
What are your thoughts right now?
All 3 of them are really, really nice. So I'm just not sure.
Get growing and get inspired at httpgardens.com. Dig, design,